Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two all-season heavyweights, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 and the Hankook Kinergy 4S2. Both tires launched in 2023 have made waves in the market, but which one is the better choice for you? Let's find out. First up, let's talk wet performance. The Continental AllSeasonContact 2 excels in wet braking, stopping 4.1 meters shorter than the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 from 100 kilometers per hour. In wet handling, the Continental maintains a higher average speed at 74.6 kilometers per hour compared to Hankook's 72.1. However, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 has an edge in straight aquaplaning, maintaining control up to 78.6 kilometers per hour compared to the Continental speed of 76.1. In snowy conditions, both tires are impressive. The Continental stops in 23.2 meters, just 0.1 meters more than the Hankook's 23.1 meters. For snow traction, the Continental generates 2,744 newtons, outperforming the Hankook's 2,639 newtons. Snow handling shows minimal difference, 57.4 kilometers per hour for the Continental and 57.3 kilometers per hour for Hankook. When it comes to durability, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 takes the lead with a wear life of 60,300 kilometers, compared to the Continental's 58,900 kilometers. This means the Hankook tire offers a slightly longer lifespan, making it a solid choice for those prioritizing durability. In dry conditions, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 again shines with a braking distance of 40.4 meters, 0.9 meters shorter than the Hankook braking distance of 41.3 meters. Both tires, however, perform equally in dry handling, maintaining an average speed of 87.8 kilometers per hour. For a quieter ride, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 is the better option, with an exterior noise level of 72.3 decibels compared to the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 noise level of 73.1 decibels. Efficiency is another strong suit for the Continental AllSeasonContact 2, boasting a rolling resistance coefficient of 7.68 and fuel consumption of 5.56 liters per 100 kilometers. The Hankook Kinergy 4S2, while still efficient, falls slightly behind with a rolling resistance coefficient of 8.24 and fuel consumption of 5.74 liters per 100 kilometers. In conclusion, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 excels in wet and dry braking and also efficiency, while the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 shines in mileage and aquaplaning resistance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.